Okay, so morning everyone. This is a walking tour of the Sentido in Khao Lak, which was Bluey 2. They've rebranded as of the 1st of May 2024. So the Bluey 2 is now the Sentido. So I'm just going to take you for a quick walk round. If you can hear lots of drilling going on, they're doing a lot of, well, not a lot, but they're doing renovation work here at the moment. So some of the facilities currently are being renovated. I don't think it's going to take long, so I'll just take you for a walking. So if you'd like to like and subscribe, that would be really helpful. I do lots of these little walk around videos just to give you an idea of accommodation and facilities. Reception. It's a lovely cool with aircon in here. You can book your trips at the travel desk. So someone is normally here to arrange trips. Through here, I think they're renovating the works here. I think they're renovating the bar area. So that's under renovation at the moment. Okay. So there you go, that's reception. Let's have a walk through to the pool area. So the gardens here are absolutely lovely. They're really well looked after. They've been trimming all the bushes and what have you since we've been arriving. So here we go. So these rooms are the swim up pool access rooms, and also the rooms above, kind of like the more standard rooms. The sun lounges are these really comfortable soft padding on with brollies for keep the sun off. It's low season at the moment, so it's kind of rainy season. So we've got plenty of rain. You can probably see it's quite cloudy above. Well, not at the moment, but it was. People just chilling. Here's a wave. My buddy chilling on the balcony. Okay, so there's like 3 of these swimming pool areas with pool access rooms. And then we have bungalow type rooms. Looking at the guide in booking.com, all the rooms seem to be the same size and they are very spacious. They are much bigger than most hotel rooms. I think 475 square feet, which is quite big. So these are plenty of shade. Yeah, again, as you can see, more swim up rooms. The hotel is located right at the end of the Khao Lak main strip. The hotel does have beach access, which is great. Some of the hotels are set further back, so you don't get the benefit of the beach access, but this place does have beach access. The tide does come and go, so the beach is quite small at times, but you can pretty much walk around to the headland, which is a nice walk on the beach. It's quite rocky, so it's great for pictures, and it's a little bit cooler. So like I say, at the moment you're looking at May, which is, you're just on the edge of the season changing over. So since we've been here, we've had quite a bit of rain, but it's still hot. It's still around about 30 every day. So you've got your beach bar restaurant here. The prices are quite reasonable. I'll find the menu just to give you an idea. You do have a happy hour late on in the evening. We had chicken pad thai yesterday for 150 baht, and it was absolutely delicious. Hello there.
Hello.
Can I have the menu, please? The staff here are so helpful and friendly. Thank you so much. Thank you. Just to give you an idea of the prices and what the beach bar has to offer. It's tax added on, 70%. All the beers are small beers, which are 125. Cocktail menu. What time is happy hour?
Happy hour 9 to 10.
9 till 10 in the evening
Yeah,
is happy hour.
Evening, yes.
In the evening?
Yes. Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
And a wine list if you'd like a glass of wine. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ขอบคุณค่ะ
Have a go. Plenty of places to sit and chill. There's loads of palm trees here and trees, so everywhere you go is kind of like in the shade, which is really nice. So the hotel stretches further down. These are your beachfront villas. I think these are the most expensive ones, I'm quite sure. But looking at the prices through with a booking agent, these seem to be the premium ones. It's cheaper to book with a booking agent like booking.com than it is direct with a hotel. They offer absolutely no discount if you book at the hotel. They do say it's a discount, but when you compare the prices, it's actually more expensive than when you book with a booking agent. So I suggest just use a booking agent rather than booking direct, because they don't seem to be too bothered about even in low season. As you can see, the beach here pretty much taken up by the sea at the moment, but the sea does go back quite a little bit. So when it's low tide, there is plenty of space to go for a walk. Sea's quite rough at the moment. It's normally turquoise blue this time. Turquoise blue, but it's quite churned up at the moment with the red flag. So swimming is obviously not encouraged when the red flag's out. Put a few rows of sunbeds out. Even so, you can see the sky's quite stormy. It's still very, very warm. Walking over now to the main restaurant. This is for breakfast and half board and full board. There's an omelette station in the restaurant, make fresh omelettes. They offer most things: fresh fruit, fresh juice, iced coffees. The normal coffee isn't great here, by the way. The machines are too strong, and the stuff in the pots they pour tastes like, well, it's not great. Plenty of brollies here. It's raining. These are coming really handy every day. So, fans everywhere. It's open air. Well shaded. Breakfast options are quite good. I'd say they're on par with most hotels at this price range. It's nothing special, but decent quality. I'd say overall at the price point, this hotel pretty much hits the value for money. It's well maintained. The rooms are really to a high standard. Better than some rooms we've stayed in the area. As you can see, quite a lot of space just to chill out. It's quiet this time of year, obviously, it's not high season. And more of the sea view villas at the front. Cleaning staff are great, very attentive if you want extra water or tea, coffee. Absolutely no problem getting extras. And walking back into the main part of the hotel now, there is a swim-up pool. Sorry, swim-up bar in the pool, should I say. Currently it's going through a renovation, so it's not open at the moment. But like I say, it's only since the 1st of May it was taken over. Oh, I think someone's actually on today. Morning. What time do you open? Oh, what time do you open in the morning?
Yeah, 10.
10 o'clock and finish at 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Perfect. Here we go. Nice and quiet. Yet again, plenty of shade. Lots of trees for shade. All the beds have really, really comfortable soft cushion mats on, which are excellent. And that's pretty much the end of the walking video. I'm not going to show you the room because you can pretty much go on any of the booking sites and look at the rooms yourself. See what you want to spend. Look at the quality. The pictures on the booking sites resemble exactly what you get, so that's quite good. And if you want a nice massage, these are all prices and services they offer. So just to give you an idea, on the main strip, for a foot massage for 1 hour, you'll be paying 300 baht. Here it's 600 baht plus 7% tax. So you are paying quite a premium to have a relaxing foot massage by a hotel. Just as I was saying, the weather's actually changing as I'm making this video. It's getting quite stormy now. It's going to rain any moment. So I'll cut the video. The hotel is actually set just right on the side of the mountain. Anyone familiar with Khao Lak, and it's dropped down from the mountain side. It's right on the very edge. You can just see the mountain there in the background. Well, I mean large hill rather than mountain. Okay, so there you go. If you like these kind of things, do like and subscribe. It always helps. The wind's getting up now, you can hear it. And thanks for watching.